We have the privilege of preparing our young people for success and happiness in a globalised world, achieved through a curriculum that's shaped to support capable, confident and ambitious learners. Our Round Square membership links us with 250 like-minded schools around the world in 50 countries, giving our children the opportunity to connect with peers around the world. One such recent example was a collaboration between our Year 6 geographers and a school in Sao Paulo, Brazil, ensuring a deeper learning experience. We run a superb discovery programme for our Year 6 to 8 pupils on a Saturday morning, which emphasises skills of public speaking, collaboration and leadership. Recent examples include an entrepreneurship unit and Model United Nations. We deliver specialist instruction throughout the prep school, which aside from the core subjects of English, maths and science, includes art, computing, design technology, drama, French, along with a second language in Year 8, geography, history, life skills, music, religion and philosophy, and physical education. Our children benefit from a vibrant learning environment, including a stimulating art studio, computer suites, a series of music rooms, our own studio theatre for the performing arts, science labs, and a range of sporting facilities, including an indoor swimming pool. I look forward to sharing more when you come to visit.